Today's video topic is how to whiten your teeth at home. It's no secret that having yellow teeth can be a major confidence killer. If you're looking for ways to get rid of yellow teeth and achieve a brighter, whiter smile, you're in luck. There are plenty of home remedies that can help remove yellow stains and whiten your teeth. Number 1. Brushing with whitening toothpaste. One of the easiest ways to whiten your teeth is brushing your teeth more frequently with whitening toothpaste. These toothpastes contain hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, which can help whiten the color of the teeth. Number 2. Baking soda. One of the simplest and most effective home remedies for yellow teeth is baking soda. Baking soda is a natural whitening agent that can be used to remove stubborn stains. Simply wet your toothbrush, dip it in baking soda, and brush your teeth as usual. Rinse well afterwards. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful bleaching agent that can effectively remove stains. Simply mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water and use it to brush your teeth. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. If you're looking for a more natural approach, you might want to try apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural acid that can help to break down stains. Mix apple cider vinegar and water and use it to brush your teeth. Number 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another excellent home remedy for getting rid of yellow teeth. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which can help remove surface stains on your teeth. To use coconut oil to whiten your teeth, simply apply coconut oil to your teeth with a cotton ball and leave it on for several minutes before rinsing. Number 6. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a very effective treatment for yellow teeth. Charcoal is a natural absorbent that can help absorb stains and discoloration. It can also kill bacteria and toxins in your mouth. To use charcoal, wet a cotton ball with the charcoal and apply it to your teeth. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing away. You can do this once or twice a week to see results. Number 7. Whitening strips. Whitening strips are a very convenient option for teeth whitening. They contain a layer of peroxide gel that is applied directly to the teeth. They are applied for a short time and then removed. Keep in mind that whatever methods you choose, it may take a while to see results.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.